Hello, hi, my name is Samuel Ezerza for the SE channel. Thanks for tuning in, subscribe, and share as much as you can. Please take your vitamin C and your vitamin D and your zinc tablets, okay? Which reminds you, I got to take it this morning, the zinc tablet. And at the same time, like I don't get paid for this, but I've been doing this for past 8 months. Schweppes, I drink a lot of Schweppes. Um, it's got quinine, hydroxychloroquine. You never know. You never know. Do your own research, okay? Um, I like this woman, Tulsi Gabbard. Too bad she wasn't a Republican. And but I think she acts like one, or she acts, she may have that balance between progressive and conservative views. Like she's probably in the middle. And I'm glad she's in the Democratic Party, so it brings some balance into the Democratic Socialist Marxist Party. So basically, what she's saying, and I agree with her. What's happened with our grandparents? My mother, and over 80, the 70s and 80s and 90s. Um, this She says, heartless, arrogant, unelected CDC bureaucrats have decided that the lives of elderly Americans don't count. They're recommending 100 million essential workers, healthy people working at liquor stores or phone companies can get vaccines before our grandparents. Well, she's right. She's 100% right. I mean, the ones who need it the most, yes, the doctors and even truck drivers, nurses, and so on. The essential workers that make the economy move a little bit, or a lot, I should say. Um, but they're giving it to healthy people, let's say like myself, or the guy at the drugstore, or the guy working here and there, or the healthy people. And I agree. What's happening with this, with the CDC and with the elderly over 70 and all. They need it too, and they need quite a bit of it, by the way. So not because the majority of them are white, or whatever. It's just I do agree with her. I do agree with her. She brings some common sense, and she wants to actually pass her vaccine. She wants to give it to someone who's older, obviously. And she's right. I agree with her. Please don't forget the grandparents, the people who are older, your parents, and all. They should have it as soon as possible, like ASAP, like today. Um, and I guess they're giving it to healthy people also. Here we go. Let's just hear a little bit about what she has to
Stores
say.
to telephone companies.
Here we go.
Heartless, arrogant, unelected CDC bureaucrats have decided that the lives of elderly Americans just don't count. Now, for months, the CDC has been telling us that the elderly are the most vulnerable. But now they are recommending that 100 million so-called essential workers, which means healthy people working at everything from liquor stores to telephone companies, that they can get the vaccine before our grandparents can. That members of Congress like me, we can get the vaccine before at-risk seniors can. People like my aunt, who is imprisoned in her own home because of the danger that if she catches the disease, she could die. This is immoral and bad health policy. I had planned to take the vaccine, but will now stand in solidarity with our seniors by not doing so until they can. I urge my colleagues in Congress who are under the age of 65 and healthy to join me.
She's 100% right. 100% right. I agree with her. Um, she's passing her vaccine to someone else who's over 65. That's what it should be. My name is Samuel Ezerza for the SE channel. Take care. God bless. And happy holidays.